All right, so to condense, they want us to condense this. Condense means combine them down into a single logarithmic expression. So there's the properties. If you look back at your properties, it says that this, well, first of all, this goes up to here, and this goes up to here. So that's the first thing you do. You've got log of x squared minus log of x minus 2 cubed minus log of x squared plus 1. That's the first step. The next step is to condense them together. So these two, there's a couple ways you can do this, but you have to do two at a time. Actually, you know what, to be honest with you, the best thing to do would be combine these two, but to first factor out this -1. In my opinion, it's a little bit easier. So log x squared minus log of x plus, minus 2 plus log of x squared plus 1. Now the reason I did that, see how I factored out that -1? You see how I took that -1 and I kind of like factored it out? I rewrote this. Why would I want to rewrite that, you ask? Well, because this condenses how?
Wait, where'd the 3 go?
Thank you. You're very good at details. I'm glad that I forgot to write the 3. But still, why did I do that? Because those things do what now? How do they condense together? How do I condense a sum of logarithms with the same base? Look at your properties. That becomes the log of x minus 2 cubed times x squared plus 1. Right? The log of a sum is equal to the product.
Oh, I see.
I'm sorry, the sum of logs is equal to the log of the product, if it's the same log. Okay, and now what? Now what would I do to simplify this? Now I have a difference, right? I have a difference of logs, and the property says, what's the difference of logs the same as? The difference of logs is equal to the log of the quotient. So that x squared stays on the top, and the x minus 2 cubed times x squared plus 1 goes on the bottom.
That's the answer?
And that's your answer, unless it can be simplified. But you look at it and you think to yourself, can I simplify that at all? No, I can't. And that's your answer.